back with the third episode, my perspective, of Nature Skyblock, because we are the flower peoples. Ow. Is this? Oh god, I can hear it. Where is it? Where are you?
Me? Oh, the zombie. I shall kill it. Die! Yay! I'm gonna put this lily pad back. There we go. Ah! Okay, there we go. I fixed it for ya. Don't need to thank me.
Creepazoid!
Huh?
Creepazoid. Last time we played this, mobs couldn't hurt you. But
I don't know. Wait, what if creepers explode stuff?
You want to find out?
Oh, gosh. We gotta do it in a place that we don't care.
I know, but is there a creeper anywhere? No.
Paper? Paper? What?
Creeper!
They said paper. Anyway, so what are we gonna do?
I think we're gonna work on money and expanding. Yes. I'm gonna go mining to get some cobble. Yeah?
Alright, so I'm gonna go to the shop to see what we can sell.
All
And
right.
if it's really good price, then we can sell it. Yeah! Even though I have $24. Yeah. Ooh!
Ooh, what?
Can sell 5 pieces of coal for $20.
Ooh.
I don't know if that's a good price or not, but
because we're gonna need the coal.
no, Christina, we can sell
How much is cobble?
cobblestone. $25 for 16.
Oh, okay.
So
we
do that.
get
should do that
50 for
instead of like doing the
half
challenge.
a stack. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna explore this.
Oh god, there's lava right there. And
Ooh, okay. Interesting. Oh, it fell. Well, can I can't hit it. Can I eat? Oh, yeah, you can eat the cake. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna kill me.
where are you?
This person kind of killed me in the PvP.
Did you have stuff on you?
No.
Where's the PvP?
It's at workshop, and then I just fell in there, and then I found cake, so I wanted to eat some, but then someone came behind me and killed me. So thanks a lot. And there was a cow, and I wanted to kill it, but it wouldn't let me kill it.
Yeah.
Sad.
Oh, and guys, follow us on Instagram at flower.games.
Yep.
Yeah. Is there an and scenting table?
What?
Press T and read it.
Tea?
Yes. Is there a and scenting tapole? First of all, an enchanting table. Okay, like
Not tadpole or tapole or whatever.
and he used a in front of a vowel.
He's not little baby tadpole, okay? Just to get facts straight.
When I was like little, I went to the park and I had like a bracelet with like these green beads, okay? So I was seeing if my dad was stupid enough. I went up to him and I took one of the, like I cut my bracelet up. And
wait, your braces or a bracer? What?
bracelet.
Oh, bracelet.
Yeah, I wanted to see who was stupid enough to fall for it. So I cut up my bracelet and I got the green beads. Because the holes were like very tiny in them. So like you couldn't really tell if it was a bead or not. And I went to my dad. Dad, look, I found a tadpole over there in the mulch.
The mulch?
Yeah. But it always sad how frogs leave their tadpoles just stranded there in the lava, in like the pond or like lake or whatever.
It's not like you said lava.
I did say lava.
Oh. Lava. I'm just on top of a tree.
Here, I want to see how much money I can get for this. Right here. Where are you?
So,
Here.
I'm right here.
Take that real
Just
quick.
give me everything. One. I need more than one.
I'm going to the shop. Bye.
There, I gave you the cobblestone.
No. I threw it back.
No! Fine, I'll put it in the chest. Alright, I'm going to mine some cobblestone. So it's a really good price for 16. And we only get $10 for 64. But we get leather too, but still.
Where
We
is...
want money.
Oh, here it is.
It's underneath cobblestone. So
Now I have... Oops. $1,056.
I found lapis! I know where lapis is!
I already found 2 pockets of it.
Rita, that... There we go.
Right, I have $56 to spend.
What?
I have $56 to spend.
56.
Yes, 56. Yeah, my mama, she told me.
I need a drink of my water.
Yeah, well, isn't that nice?
Hmm?
Isn't that nice? Why is it $500 for logs? Like, no, not... No.
Here, I'm gonna put headphones in my...
Oh, is this the PvP RIP guard? There's a cow in there.
Yeah. I tried killing it. It doesn't work, really.
Oh, how nice. Wait.
Tell me when you're gonna start.
I already did. I should have mentioned that. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to the shop and spend like... and buy some iron. Because, you know, why not? I have $56. Oh, wait.
Tell me when you're gonna start to cut down trees.
Is this like an animal farm?
What?
There's... Oh my god!
What? What?
Why are there just spiders just like falling from the ceiling? That is not
Where?
cool. At spawn.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, interesting.
Well, I'm gonna dump like all my stuff. And I'm gonna go into that animal farm and I'm gonna see, because I don't know if there's PvP there or what.
Okay. Wait, what kind of animals are there?
Like chickens, cows, mushroom.
Mushroom. Just bring like a stone sword or something.
No, I'm gonna bring the oven.
So then we just...
Wait, I'm on Epic.
You are?
Wait. Yeah, we're on Epic. Wait, I should buy VIP Plus.
Are
VIP.
you?
Only a couple $.
Wait, are you still on Skyblock?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I found.
What are you doing?
Oh, I found where we can get a lot of XP. Yeah, this is like an animal farm. This, ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I like it here. Oh, I found Tori's head, Google's head, and
Right, well,
David's head.
I'm gonna go to our island real quick and put this. Wait, so it's safe to go to? Yeah?
Mhm.
Okay, so it's just at spawn?
Oh, it's at shop.
Oh! Christina?
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Wait, did you stop?
No. I'm gonna go down here.
Because after I have to go.
I know.
So, are you?
I'm going to the shop and then like turn around and go to.
Oh, duh, shop.
Back here.
Where?
Over here.
Oh. Hold on. My computer. I brought a sword.
What kind of sword?
Iron.
Oh.
Are there like ladders? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna.
I'm gonna go down here,
Okay.
but don't come down here with your iron sword,
Why?
because you will die very easily.
Oh. Well, I have to go.
Okay. You want to do the outro first?
Outro? What do you mean? Like, say bye or?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it.
Yes. So we had to go now. Well, he needs to go, so I have to stop the recording. But we'll upload some more later.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you guys
So-
enjoyed these 3 episodes.
Yeah.
So
Well-
bye.
Bye.